Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have VECHAIN update. Let's see where are we going, guys. And of course, before we begin, join our monthly subscription. Link is in the description down below. Buy me a coffee / Mind Your Crypto. Get easy profits with automated signal buying opportunities, personal guidance, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, and many more. So join in. Only 50 people can join in because I don't have time for more. And of course, you can cancel your subscription anytime you like. So join our Telegram group chat. Link is also in the description down below. We are a community that grows together. We help each other every day and we respect each other. So hit the like button and subscribe if you like the content. Thank you so much for watching. Let's see now. We are at the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement. Starting my Fib retracement, guys, from the bottom here, we formed back on 22nd June, ending up to the top, we formed on 29th June. So I want to find major support levels in case we drop, and here we are, guys. We dropped from the triangle, we lost the bottom trend line, and now we are testing to see whether we will close above the 7.3 or not. If we don't close above, then this isn't the next price target, 6.5 cents in the future, in the short term, but we have one more support level going on, which is very strong, the 7 cents. So eventually, guys, when only we lose the 7 cents, we will go to 6.7, but it is very possible if we lose and close above the 7.3, because here we are battling. If we close below and form a bearish candle, then it's all over. We are going down to 7 cents again. Okay, so the volume is decreasing a little bit for VECHAIN. As you can see, the moving average is dropping down, and the MACD right here had another bearish cross, and we want to see eventually if we are going all the way down or we will have a bullish cross and go upwards. It will be very necessary to just go and remain ourselves above the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement. So you can see the VECHAIN USDT chart, guys, on the 4-hour frame, the commodity channel index and the RSI. The RSI is not in an oversold situation, although the commodity channel index is in an oversold situation for quite some time right now, guys, for about 1 day around there. Okay, so for now we will see if we can remain actually there and have a very significant swing high, because 2 out of 3 risk metrics are in oversold situation. So you know, guys, because the stochastic RSI is below the 20, you can see here the limits are 20 and 80, and we are below this purple area right here. So this means we are in an oversold situation. This means we have a buying opportunity. So according to 2 out of 3 risk metrics, we have a buying opportunity. The RSI can go more into the 30. We hope that we can avoid that and find the bottom around this area right here, around 33 to 36 RSI, and then move upwards. Okay, so for now, guys, we are looking good. We are looking like we are going into an oversold, a buying opportunity situation. The 20-day MA is still below the 50-day MA right there. We didn't like that, although we just want to see if we can make a reversal to the pattern and go upwards. For now, let's go to the daily frame. On the daily frame, we are approaching the commodity channel index below -100. We might correct even more if we go down to this price action like here, for example, guys, where we went at -248 for the commodity channel index. We might go even below the -100, but that's okay. All right, so you can see the stochastic RSI is also below 20 on the daily. So we have again 2 out of 3 risk metrics on the daily frame below their limits. So we have a very high chance of having a significant swing high around here again for VECHAIN. Okay, I'm not saying that we might go 60% upwards. I'm just saying that we will have a significant swing high. Whether it is 20%, we will see the resistance levels afterwards. Okay, so for now, guys, we are looking good. The MACD is looking like it has a high low pattern right here on the daily frame, although we need some further distance between the blue line and the signal line to say that we are extremely bullish. Okay, so right now let's go to the Bollinger Bands. The Bollinger Bands right here, we are getting a squeeze point, not exactly a squeeze point, but the top line is getting close to the bottom line. And you know, guys, when we approach the bottom line, we usually have a buying opportunity on the daily frame. Okay, when we approach the top line, we usually have the opposite, a selling opportunity. Okay, so for now, this is what happens. We are approaching the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands. For the SSL hybrid, we don't have a buying buying opportunity yet. The SSL hybrid, guys, this indicator is good on when to buy, right? Not when to sell your position, when to buy, especially when to buy, because we should sell around here, but according to the SSL hybrid, we sold around there. But anyway, we would still have a very nice profit if we bought around there, guys, of around 17%. So I won't blame the SSL hybrid, could make us very nice profits right there for VECHAIN. Okay, so right now let's go to VECHAIN Bitcoin chart. You can see that we are correcting a little bit. We are getting more horizontal right now. We are going sideways. As you can see, we are trying to stay alive, and we had an oversold situation back then. What we hope for is maybe now to break even higher, not a pattern like this going on where we will go below 30 again. The good part is that the commodity channel index is below -100. The bad part is that stochastic RSI is not yet in an oversold situation, so we can correct a little bit more. We hope not to, but we can correct, guys, a little bit more for VECHAIN Bitcoin chart. Okay, so therefore, as you can see now, VECHAIN Bitcoin in the daily frame, we are near an oversold situation on the commodity channel index, not in an oversold situation though. So only 1 out of 3 risk metrics are in an oversold situation. That is the stochastic RSI. The stochastic RSI, as you know, is more sensitive to the price action. That's why it falls down quicker, it goes up quicker, because it is more sensitive to the price action. So you can see here, we are forming a top. We are going again into the same lows right there. We should be able to just have another swing high, but according to the commodity channel index, we can eventually keep going down. What we hope for is maybe we can have a pattern like this going on with higher lows, and eventually not go so far down before we go back up again on the daily for VECHAIN Bitcoin chart. Okay, so we can go to the price analysis. If we go down from 7.3, then we are absolutely going down to 7 cents, around there. Okay, so right now, guys, we want to close above the 0.618. Closing above will help us actually having a significant swing high over here. Maybe if we test the 0.618 again and close above, maybe we can go even higher, and we can discuss about the resistance levels. Let's assume that this is the bottom, because we don't know if this is exactly the bottom, guys, but we will assume that in order to make a nice, beautiful Fibonacci retracement for resistance levels. And here we are, we have this Fibonacci retracement in case this is our bottom right here. Okay, so we have this, and you can see that in case we go upwards, 7.7, 8.1, and 8.3 are major resistance levels. We got some more above, but we will analyze them later in another daily update. You can see here that we have some resistance levels going on in case this is the bottom line, and in case, guys, we go upwards, we can go upwards, but we need to close above the 0.618. That's the reason I will redraw the 0.618 from the bottom to the top. There we go, guys. You can see that if I zoom in, you will see that we need to stay above the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. If we close there, then this is all good. If we close down, guys, if we make a very bearish candle right here, then we are going most likely to 7 cents again, and why not afterwards 6.7. But that is, guys, if Bitcoin crashes more, and of course VECHAIN just goes down again, because it follows Bitcoin, guys. VECHAIN is following Bitcoin because VECHAIN Bitcoin chart is underperforming, right? You can see that we can't outperform Bitcoin, therefore we follow the Bitcoin trend. So eventually, guys, if we can close for Bitcoin above the 32,674, it will be very good. If not, probably VECHAIN might close down from the 0.618, the 7.3, around there cents. Okay, so therefore, guys, it will be very crucial to see if we can manage to go a little bit higher and close above this price level right here. We have some strong resistance level. You can see our next resistance level is 7.7. we got one at 8 cents, around there, 8 to 8.1, and some others as well, the 8.3 maybe, and of course others in case we are going and closing above. The good part is that we are in an oversold situation for 2 out of 3 risk metrics, and therefore, guys, this is very good. The RSI is not, however, it was back then on 9th July. Okay, so we might see a nice, pretty nice swing high right there. What we are hoping for is to see one pretty nice swing high for VECHAIN. now we hope that we close above the 32,600 after this bearish moment for Bitcoin, guys. We went down 3% just 8 hours. Okay, so it is very bearish moment for Bitcoin to go to have such a correction like this. Anyway, guys, the nice point here is that we are on the daily frame in an oversold situation as well. If you look at it, we are below -100 in the commodity channel index. Therefore, what we hope for is on the next few days to have a pretty nice bullish candles right here. And of course, the weekend, the Friday, Saturday might be able to go upwards, like the Thursday, for example, here, if we can close above, right? It is very important support level. The most important one for the daily frame though is this we are on right now, maybe a little lower. You can see that the one we try to stay above the 32,000 tether USD. If we close below, then this will mean, guys, that Bitcoin will crash down even more. So on the 4-hour frame, what we hope to see right now is to close above the 32,600. This is a very bearish candle going on for Bitcoin, and for VECHAIN we are hoping to close above the 0.618. The rest, you know it better than me, guys, of course, because we talked about them earlier, the support and resistance levels. Join our monthly subscription to get easy profits with automated signal buying opportunities, personal guidance, and educational videos. Only 50 people can join in, so book your seat right now. I have the link in the description down below, also for the Telegram group chat, and hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.